Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a proper way to do affiliate marketing. So if you're a beginner, you need to watch this video very carefully because we are going to talk about the importance of doing a niche research, doing a product research. I'm going to show you step by step how to set up your squeeze page, your landing page, 100% free. You don't have to invest any money. And yes, it is available worldwide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do that for Digistore24 affiliate marketing, but you can apply this on other affiliate networks as well. So like I said, watch this video very carefully. With that being said, let me just jump on my computer and we are going to begin. Okay, first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche. And you need to research that niche. It is really important to research your niche. For example, let's say you are in weight loss niche. And you pick a product in weight loss niche and you start promoting that product, and then you realize competition is too big, it's too strong. These guys are too big. They have huge budget for Google ads, for Microsoft ads, for Facebook ads, and so on and so on. They can afford so many professional softwares like Ahrefs, like Kartra, and so on and so on. You don't have money to afford any of that. So you are not making any sales, you're not making any money. So what you need to do, you need to do a further research because you need to find a weight loss sub-niche. That is really important when competition is not that big, it's not that strong. For example, let's say keto. Keto diet is a weight loss sub-niche, but competition is not that big, it's not that strong, so you can actually start making sales, you can actually start making money. And that is why it is really important to do a niche research and to choose not a big niche, but to choose a sub-niche. And yes, potential of that sub-niche is not that big, but you can actually start making sales. And later, when you get more experience, when you get more knowledge, when you get more money, and when you can afford Google ads, Facebook ads, when you can afford Kartra and so on, then you can start promoting products in these big niches like weight loss. Okay, that is why you need to do a niche research. So after you do a niche research and you choose your niche, for this example, let's say keto. Next thing you need to do, you need to find products to promote. And for that, you can use ClickBank, you can use JVZoo, you can use Amazon or any other affiliate network. But because we are talking about Digistore24 affiliate marketing, for this example, we are going to use Digistore24. So I'm here on Digistore24 and here in search bar, I will just type keto and click search to find keto related products. And I'm actually going to convert this in USD, in US dollars. And what you need to do, you need to research all of these products. That is really important because you wish to promote only good products. Because if you promote bad products, then you won't make any sales. And even if you make a sale, then people will ask for refund, so you won't make any money. And that is why it is really important to do a research, to research all of these products. So what you need to do, you need to check their sales pages, you need to check their affiliate tools pages, you need to go on SimilarWeb and see how many visits their homepage is getting. You need to see what are their traffic sources, you need to see are they using any ad companies, and so on and so on. And really important, you need to go on Google and you need to find reviews. You need to read reviews of the people who actually bought that product and to see what they are thinking about that product. Because like I said, it is really important to promote a good product. So let's say I wish to promote this product here, Keto After 50. Here you can see I can make $3.51 per sale. And for example, with this product, I can actually make $30.34 per sale. That is 10 times more. But when I scroll here, you will see that cancellation rate is 13% for this product here. And when I scroll here, you will see that cancellation rate for this product is only 1.7%. So in long run, I will actually make more money with this product here than with this product here. And that is why research of products is really important. So let me just open their sales page in a new tab because we are going to need their sales page. And also I wish to check their sales page to see if this is actually a good sales page. Because if they have a good sales page, that means that we can potentially make more sales. So this actually looks like a good sales page. So next thing you need to do, you need to make a squeeze page. You need to make a bridge page. That is really important because many websites, many ad companies, they do not allow direct affiliate links. And that is why you need to make squeeze page. And for that, you can use Google Sites, you can use Kartra, Builderall, or any other company. But I know that many of you are actually beginners and you are looking for free solutions. And in my opinion, by far best free solution is Systeme.io. And I will leave you a link in the description so you can check it out. And yes, it is my affiliate link. And they have free plan and paid plans. For the beginning, free plan is quite fine. So first we need to do, we actually need to create a funnel. So here in upper right corner, click on menu and then click here on funnels because we need to create a funnel. And then again here in the upper right corner, click on create. And now we need to give a name to our funnels. So let's say Keto 24 because we are promoting keto related products from Digistore 24 because like I said, we are doing Digistore 24 affiliate marketing. And this is really important. Now you need to click here on custom because we need to create a squeeze page. And then scroll here and click on create. And Systeme.io will create a funnel for us. And as you can see, it is empty because we are creating our funnel from scratch. So what you need to do next is click here on the left side on create a step. And now we need to give a name to this step. So let's say, for example, keto. And let's say 50 because we are promoting keto after 50 product, okay? And this is really important, pay attention, type, click here on type and choose squeeze page because we are actually making a squeeze page. And then click here on save, give it a second and as you can see, Systeme.io created a squeeze page for us. And here you can see all the available templates that you can use to create your squeeze page. So let's just choose one of these. Let's say this one here, for example. You can preview this page, but I will just click here on select. Give it a second, and it created this squeeze page for us. So what we need to do next, we actually need to adjust. We need to customize this page to our own product. Here you can customize your URL, your squeeze page URL. If you don't want to do that, no problem. You can leave it as it is. And what you need to do next is you need to click here on this pencil and click on edit page to edit this squeeze page. Give it a second to actually load this. So now we need to edit our squeeze page. So I don't need this MROI, I will delete this. So let me just click here to delete, okay. And give it a second and it is deleted. And you can actually add a background image if you want. And if you are going to do that, please use royalty-free photos and images. You can find royalty-free photos and images on, for example, on Pexels. So here in search bar, I'll just type keto and click search. And it is photos. So let me just find one of these photos. Let me just choose one of these to find best one. So let me just go through this. Okay, for example, let's just use this first one here. I will just click on it and then I can choose dimensions. So let's say large and click here on free download. Give it a second and it downloaded this photo. And that's it. So let me just go back on Systeme.io and to upload that photo, just click here and then just scroll here. As you can see, there is many options. You can edit this page, background image. Okay, background image. Just click here to upload that image and then click here select file and select the photo that you downloaded from Pexels. And this is how it looks, okay? And we now need to edit this field here where it says with this text. So I can go back on their sales page and I can simply copy this, Control C, go back on Systeme.io and I can replace it here, okay? And I can choose different color of this text. So let me just choose, let's say, to see yellow. Okay, it's not the best. Let's see white. It's not that good. So I just say purple, for example. It's not good. Well, actually, my background image is not that good. But of course, you will choose a better photo for your background. I'm doing this just to show you how this works. So I will leave it as a purple, okay? And now I need to edit this text here. So I will again go back on their sales page and I can simply, for example, copy this, Control C, go back here and I can replace that here, okay? And I can actually make this bold. Click here on this B and it is now bold. And like I said, you can change the color of this text. You can also change the font style, you can change the font size, and so on and so on. There are some options here. Just play with these options to see all the things that you can do. And now this is really important part. Now we need to add our affiliate link to this squeeze page. And that is this blue button here where it says book a call. So just click here to mark this field. And then click here, okay? And now we can edit this field here. So first you see here, open URL. That is exactly what we need. We need people to open this URL. You see here, show pop-up, open URL, next step URL. No, we need open URL because we need to send people to our affiliate offer. So choose open URL. And here we need to add our URL, our Digistore24 affiliate link, because like I said, we are doing Digistore24 affiliate marketing. Of course, you can use ClickBank, you can use JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Amazon, or any other affiliate network. So I will go back on Digistore24 and I will just click here, okay, and Control C to copy this affiliate link, Digistore24 affiliate link, and go back here and paste that affiliate link here. As you can see, this is my Digistore24 affiliate link. And here I can choose to open in this window or a new window. This is a squeeze page, you can open this in the same window. So just choose same window and scroll here. Again, you can play with this button, you can change the color of this button, you can change the font style, you can change the size of these letters. You can play with those things just to see all the things that you can do. And I actually need to change this. As you can see here, it says book a call. This is not what we need. We don't need any call, any phone call. We need to send people to our affiliate offer. So you can just find that. Okay, as you can see here, book a call. So we need to change that. Let's say, for example, we need to add a different call to action. So let's say claim it. Okay, claim now. Claim now. Okay, that is better. And here you can see it's changed. It says claim now. And that is exactly what we need. Like I said, you can play with these options to see here what you can do. And after you finish everything, all you have to do is just here in upper right corner, click on Save Changes. Give it a second to save these changes. And after that, right next to it, click here to exit. And that's it. You will make your squeeze page totally free in just 5 minutes, even if you are a beginner, in Systeme.io. And this is your URL. This is the link to your squeeze page. So you can just click here and it's copied. And let me just paste it here just to see how it looks. Just paste it here, give it a second to upload. And this is how our squeeze page looks. Okay, I forgot to remove this because we don't need anyone to subscribe to our channel, to our list. So I forgot to do that. Okay, you will obviously do that. So let me just, and like I said, this is our link to our squeeze page. So what we need to do next, we need to start driving traffic to our squeeze page. And you don't actually need to remove this. If you want, you can keep it, and you can also build your mailing list. So you will actually do two things at once. And now you need to start driving traffic to your squeeze page. Most efficient and fastest way is to actually pay for ads. You can use Google ads, you can use Facebook ads, you can use Microsoft ads, you can use Propeller ads, you can use Pinterest ads, and so on and so on. And that is the best and fastest way to drive traffic and to actually start making sales. But I know that many of you are beginners, so you're looking for a free ways. And one of the best free solutions is actually Quora. So here in search bar, just type keto and then click search, and Quora will give you list of keto related questions. And what you need to do, you need to start answering on all of these questions, and you need to start providing value, and then also link back to your squeeze page that you are created for this product here, and people will start clicking on that link, of course, if you provided value, and you will start getting sales and you will start making money. Also, what you can do, you can go on Reddit and you can find keto related subreddits and again provide value and start linking back to your squeeze page. And in that way you will drive free traffic to your squeeze page. Also, what you can do, you can go on Google and type keto forum, and Google will give you list of keto related forums. Join these forums, start providing value, and add your link to your squeeze page in your signature. And you will start driving traffic to your squeeze page. Also, you can go on Facebook and find keto related groups and again start providing value and link back to your squeeze page where you are promoting your keto related product. In this case, or you can use it to promote any product. You can use it to promote pet related, DIY, workout, travel, or whatever niche you want. But like I said, for this example, it is keto related. You can also go on related blogs and start commenting on those blogs and link back to your squeeze page. These are all free methods. All these free methods works, but you need to invest time, you need to invest work. And trust me, you will start making sales. And for this example, we talked about Digital24 affiliate marketing, but you can successfully apply this on other affiliate networks. Like I said, all you have to do, just choose the right niche, research that niche, choose the right product, create your squeeze page, and start driving traffic to that squeeze page. So this is how you do Digital24 affiliate marketing as a beginner, 100% free. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.